Welcome to Santa Barbara Fish Market and Restaurant here in Goleta, California. My name's Paul Osborne. I run the restaurant and retail operations here. Let's go on inside. We're huge fans of black cod here at Santa Barbara Fish Market. We land quite a bit of fish from both Morro Bay and Santa Barbara. So we do a few different smoked black cod preparations here. I'm going to walk you through two of those. So here we have our smaller sized black cod fillets. We cure these black cod in a mixture of brown sugar, secret spice blend, a little bit of kosher salt in here. And we find that this desiccates it enough to the point to where it won't just fall apart when you eat it, and it kind of firms it up. We're gonna essentially just cover this very liberally. It should be almost sitting in liquid here within the next 10 minutes. But this will actually sit for 2 days in this brine because it's a very low salt brine, so it's not gonna over cure it and over salt it. If you'd like to follow me, we can go see what we've got in the smoker right now. We've got a batch going. So right now I've got on a very low temperature, and we're smoking over a mixture of local red oak and applewood. So this black cod is our other style, which I'll introduce shortly. This is our East Coast Jewish deli style smoked black cod. So I've got my honey and hot water mixture here, and during this process we just give it a little mist. So you get this beautiful glossy texture on the outside and this tacky layer that the smoke can adhere to, and it's got this kind of caramelized, honey caramelized sweetness, and then on the inside you've got that savory garlic and paprika flavor. This is what you just saw in the smoker. So this is our Jewish deli style smoked black cod. We finish it with paprika, and the paprika actually has to set into it for a night or so. It makes this beautiful red layer on the outside. This has a ton of flavor. It's buttery, it's easy to slice, put it on a bagel. And then our other product, which we were showing you in the brine earlier, is our black cod candy. So this is desiccated almost to the point of jerky. You can take this with you hiking, you can take this with you fishing. It's a fantastic product. It's a little bit drier, it's protein packed, full of omega-3s, and just delicious. So here's another dish we do with our smoked black cod. This is more like a seacuterie or like a seafood charcuterie plate. We've got our East Coast Jewish deli smoked black cod, we've got our black cod candy. We serve this with a caramelized onion jam, some pickled onions, some creme fraiche. A lot of the ends and trim pieces we'll make a dip with. You still want chunks of black cod in there. You don't want to make it into like a paste because you do want texture. This is a great appetizer for parties. And it's just kind of part of the full utilization ethos that we live by here at the fish market.